So over here you can see that I have a code, and if I were to run it, then there is a syntax error over here, as you can see. So if I want to correct this out, I can use ChatGPT as well. So all I'm going to do is copy out this particular code right here, and then I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to go around and give this prompt. So I'm going to say, let's say debug this Python programming code, just like this, and I'm going to go around and paste this out and press enter. So once I do that, it says it seems there's a couple of issues in the code, and it says let's debug it, and then it debug this out as over here. And it also mentioned what it debugged. So here you can see that it says added a closing parenthesis here and added a closing parenthesis here as well. So if I were to go around over here and copy out the code around over here, I can just simply go around and replace this out over here, and let's run this. And now you can see that the programming now works. So now it says enter the first number. So I'm going to say 56 around over here, and now I'm going to say 78, and you can see that it says the largest number is 78, just like this. And that is how you can debug programming codes using ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.